Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit traveler filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.60. Highlights to -100. Shadows to 100. Whites to -8. And blacks to 100. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 5. Tint to -8. And saturation to 6. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 35. Saturation to 17. And blending to 100. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 20. Saturation to 45. And luminance to 20. For orange, hue to 3. And saturation to -18. For yellow, hue to -35. And luminance to 15. For green, hue to -99. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -19. For aqua, hue to -13. Saturation to -100. and luminance to -12. For blue, hue to -77. Saturation to -28. And luminance to 5. For purple, hue to -100. Saturation to -8. And luminance to -15. For pink, hue to 25. Saturation to -9. And luminance to 24. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to -5. Next, go to Detail. Sharpening to 23. Masking to 19. Noise reduction to 15. And color noise reduction to 25. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Remove Chromatic Aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.